Hi there, Caroline here, and welcome back to my channel. My theme for this month is Studio Ghibli with old anime graphics pages. And for this week I put up a poll on my Instagram what movie to do. So the average between all the answers was Whisper of the Heart. I didn't really know what I wanted to draw or how I wanted this spread to look like. I started to draw the outlines with Sakura Micron and 01, starting with the characters that will be outside the box. I was deciding between the picture where the Baron and Shizuki fall through the sky and the picture between Shizuki and Seiji on a bike, but I settled for the one on the bike with a picture of the Baron on the big banner in the center. Throughout this video you can see the sun come and go because I record and do spreads in front of a window. Yeah, I don't really have one of those fancy ring lights that you can take videos without having to worry about light. I recently received a new watercolor paint set. It's the St. Petersburgh White Knights. They're amazing! Got the reference? Anyways, they're so much smoother than my previous ones and less splotchy too. I'm glad I got them and was able to upgrade to a better one. Despite having a nicer watercolor palette, the paper still drinks up all the water and I can barely blend. I wasn't sure in what direction to take this spread. When I painted in the Baron, I thought something doesn't seem right, so I tried coloring in the background blue. And then I thought, why not add another color to the left? Well, at that point I thought I messed it up already. Then I tried to save it with some darker blue and green circles and some white stars. Then the Crayola Supertip I used was too dark, so I could barely see the black lettering for the weekdays. Then I tried to cover them up with white, and nope, I didn't like that either. So I ended up using my Tombow Fudenosuke soft tip pen and shaded in the weekdays black, and wrote with a white pen the weekdays on top. In the end, I think it turned out okay. That's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. All the materials I used will be in the description box below, and until next time, bye!